Yeah, power plays. Come on. Yo, 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 what's up, man? We back. Power plays, Palace. Man, we doing what we do and we having a good time. So let's get to the chart, man, real quick. Alright, so Friday we had a projection for a breakout long above 692.93. I mean 85. Um that was based off that 692.76 pre-market high and with a 687.04 pre-market low. It was an interesting day. So we said if it went up and broke through that level and came up to 692.85 and 693.20 area, we wanted to play calls up to 697. Stopping at 694 and 695 on the way. And then on the short side, we had if it goes down 690, goes up into the 691 area, 692.8, and it stalls out. If it pushes back down, we looking for a put our stop right there, 693.50 with targets at 690, 688, 687.10, and with our entry around the 691.80, 692.60 area. And so let's look at the chart from Friday and see what we got. So what we got here, Friday in the market open, spot pushed up real heavy first, 693.55. Then it pushed up a little higher on the second push up. Right here, it got the 694.05 pullback, the 690, and then it pushed back up to 694.20. So just right off of that, you can see that you could have had a couple play right, a one play here early, a quick play up, but you also could have played off the rejection back down and hit the 690 target early, and you can see that unfold early in the day. And so after that second hit at about 10:45, spot went on a deep dive. It bounced off 694.21 where it established that high at, and then it started to push down. It broke through the pre-market high from Friday, and it kept pushing down all the way until it got to the pre-market low from Friday. It got shoulder resistance to pull back, and then it started to push down some more. Boom. And so, if you can see, it established that pre-market low here, and established the low of the day at that same, pretty much same level. And what you see is that if you'd have played the the puts off of this rejection up here, you'd have played that all the way back down through the chart, and then you see from 687, it actually went back up, $5. So you could have played out that reversal here and played it back up also, and then from there it gave you another strong push down for about $3, and it pushed back up here into the 692 area. We end up closing at 692.56, which is a pretty decent day. And then you see already in the pre-market, it started up around that same area, and then it pushed all the way down to 686.06 in the pre-market. But it already started to work its way back up. It is already back at 689 right now. At this time, it's 7:30, so a.m. Eastern. So we'll see how that unfolds. So for the chart from Friday, as you can see, if you played it, you could have played it all the way back down to that 687.10 area for sure. The low of the day was 687.12. So yeah, you'd have had a pretty nice day if you'd have played that on all three levels. So that was a good day. So let's look at the chart for the day. You can see what spot is already doing. And let's see what we got here. All right. So what we have, one second here. We're looking for um, the pre-market high right now is 690.56, but that SPY is moving. You can really see it kind of moving back toward the area. It might break it before 9:30, but we're gonna stick with what we got. So if SPY breaking hold above 690.56, I'm gonna look for a long play entry around 697 to 691.10. With my stop going below 689.80, upside target is gonna be 692.20, 693.60, and 694.20. Um, right around yesterday's high, and if it breaks past that, that'll be very beautiful. If SPY pushes into the 689.80 and 690.60 and stalls out, I'm gonna be looking for a rejection short. With my stop gonna go above 691.30, with my downside target 688.60, 687.40, and 686.10. And that's if SPY goes up and rejects and pushes back. And so, as normal, today is Monday, so we're gonna be playing it safe a little bit. At least I am. Get in on my levels, take some contracts, and get out. Looking for 20, 30% on each trade if I can. If not, if I get bigger trade, then hey man, we'll take that. But once I reach those levels, lately I just been exploring my discipline and trying to stay disciplined and not overdoing it. Set you a target goal for the day and try to achieve it. Now, this is not financial advice. It's just the things I look at as a trader. And what I want you to do is stay true to who you are, set your levels, and trade off of your disciplined levels that you choose based off the formula you use. Me personally, this is the one I use, and these are the levels for the day. And hopefully, SPY pushes up. Now, if for any reason anything that I've provided for you in this video is helpful and helps you improve your trading, hey, like, share, and subscribe. Leave comments, recommendations, and everything for the channel as we continue to grow. And let's see how everything goes. Now, if you want to trade with me and my group and my team, the guys we trade with every day, come over to Power Plays, and you can trade with us. It's our Discord. But right now, we're at Power Plays Palace, the YouTube channel, going over this chart. But come over to Power Plays and you can trade with us and just have a good time while we're doing it. Now, this is, again, not financial advice. This is just some information from me based on my ideas and the way I trade. Like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy the video. And we'll be out for the day. And I'll see y'all tomorrow, man. Power Plays.